Good morning and welcome to our mock-up video. This is our first video of our cargo trailer conversion to a toy hauler camper. I'll show you right here. The X on the side door is where we're going to put an RV style window. See, just so you can get a quick look in from the side door, which will be our main entrance. We'll go around and I'll explain it to you. So this is an 8.5 by 20. We got a pretty good deal on it. Brand new. It was a year older model that was still sitting on the lot, so we got a pretty good deal on it. Ignore the things in boxes. This is all stuff that's going to be moved and installed. What we're actually looking at today is the mock-up of the floor plan, so we're paying attention to the blue lines. Okay, over on the right as you walk in the back door, the large blue line goes all the way up to the ceiling, and that is going to be our closet area. Next to the closet area, as you can see, that's a basic representation of our seating area. That chair is not staying. That's just for mock-up. Behind the X is our emergency exit window, RV style. They call them egress windows if you're looking them up. The long blue line represents overhead cabinets all the way down to the door. Sorry if I'm just trying to do a quick and dirty on this video. Probably have a trash can sitting here or something like it. This guy we found at a thrift store. Believe it or not, I think we only paid like $6 for this, and it's just missing a screw, and it's got a couple dents in the bottom that we could pull out with some pliers. It's already full of things that we're going to install. Very handy and not super heavy. Okay, so over here at the main entry door, you can see on the floor, we're going to do a kind of angular, this will be our counter space. It's going to be nice and tall because Dad doesn't like bending over real far to wash his dishes. Underneath we'll have a little bit of storage. May put the trash under there. May put some stuff. I'm not sure. Underneath the counter is going to be a chest style freezer, which we will convert into a refrigerator. You can do that. $50 or so off Amazon buys you the converter. You'll just grab. It'll be on slides. We'll slide it out in front of the door, and you'll be able to access all your refrigerator items. Plus, it kind of doubles your counter space, so if you need more room to work, you can work right here in the doorway. Up top of the counter space, we're going to build a kind of angled cabinet, and all of our dishes will fit in there. If they don't fit, we don't need them. On top of the sink, this is going to be where our mini split air conditioner comes out of. It's kind of centrally located, so it should blow down the whole length of the trailer. Okay, let me step back so you can get a better look at the bathroom area. You can see on the floor all the way up, this is going to be the bathroom wall. The toilet had to be moved it had to be moved over because there is actually another bit of frame underneath the floor here. So the toilet couldn't stay where we had it originally, so we turned it like that. It actually works pretty well. Right above that where the X is, it's going to be a matching window to the one in the door, just a small window, so you have a little light, a little crosswind. On the floor, some hash marks here and here. That's going to be our bathroom entry door, which we got from the Habitat store for, I think it was like $7.50, which is actually pretty well made. It's going to be closet style. The shower we got from Lowe's, brand new. Oh, I forgot to mention, the sink I actually got from the swap meet for $8. It had the hoses and everything already on it, so really good money saved right there. The shower had to be pulled out because it has a glass sidewall and a glass front wall. The glass sidewall obviously couldn't be trimmed for the ceiling, so we had to accommodate for that. But that actually leaves us with a nice amount of room back here. I'm thinking about building a custom cart that goes all the way up on wheels that just slides out. So it would slide out from behind the glass wall, and it would have like our cleaning supplies, our broom, our dustpan, whatever, and it just rolls right behind the shower to be out of the way. So I think that actually might work out better. Let me flip around here so you can get a better look at what's behind. Okay, so this large blue section here, this is going to be we have a chest style freezer already, and that's the size of it that it's going to fit. We've actually made it a little taller because we may put it on slides because of the bump out here for the wheel well. And that's because it's chest style, so the door opens up. And right here, this top blue box is going to be the entire electrical panel for the whole camper is going to run into there. All the switches and boxes and wires, everything will run into there. It should stick out from the wall approximately about a foot, give or take. And then on the door on the outside will be the TV. The TV will be mounted on the outside of the electrical box right here. And then this guy will be right next to the TV right here, I think. Or vice versa. We may put it on the other side. That's fine. But you get the idea. All the electrics go there. Chest freezer underneath, possibly on slides. The large blue, this is the biggest one. That's going to be a set of twin XL bunk beds, which will fold up flush against the wall on bottom, and on top it's a little bit long, so it'll probably come at a corner angle and just be fastened to the roof. But that's okay because we can throw all of our extra pillows and blankets up in it and it'll be nice and out of the way. The big X on the wall is again another egress window or emergency exit window, RV style, which may go down, it may go up, I'm not really sure. It depends on where things line up when we get the frame for the bunks in. And like I said, the hanging storage right here, which we already own. And then looking up, there's some X's. That's going to be our first of 3 rooftop power vents right here. And we already have the covers for those so that we can leave them open if it's raining or whatever. And there's the second, which kind of sort of goes in the kitchen. And the third is right above the shower, so if we get a leak or if we hit a tree limb with it or whatever, it just leaks into the shower. No problem. That's pretty much what we've got so far. We got all the windows and tanks and everything ordered this morning. And this allows us to really feel our floor plan. See if I can get it all in one shot here. Like I said, it gives us an actual feel for our floor plan. We can walk around it. We can start feeling it out. We've already had to make a couple of changes, so this really worked out very well. If you want to see how we're going to do this, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we're going to try and shoot out videos as often as we can and let you see our progress. All right, thanks for watching.